Okay, so the second aspect of using quizzes, the second way to use quizzes or to create quizzes for your learners is through this particular platform called quizzes. So we are going to our browser, going to our browser, and you click, you type in quizzes, these quizzes, okay? That's QUIZIZZ. You click on that and it gives you different platforms. Okay, so you go to quizzes. If you already have an account, you just go to login. Okay, so you click on quizzes and you sign up the same way you sign up. If you have a Google account, you do that. Okay, or you sign up with your email address. All right, I have a Google account. So I'm going to sign in with my Google account. It's always good, like I said, to have a Gmail. It makes a lot of things easy for you. You don't have to start checking passwords and so on. See, I'm in my platform. Can you see my name here? Mrs. Otakboweni. Okay, so if you are starting yours also, you create your profile the normal way you do things. You just create a profile and so on. And I have my library here. Like my library shows um, videos of quizzes I have prepared myself. Okay, look at all of these quizzes here. 7 months ago, 7 months ago. Okay, so I actually use it for trading also. So most of them are not really complete. Can you imagine? See, one of my quizzes here has been played 805 times. Okay, so when you do quizzes, one thing about quizzes is that educators all over the world can use your quiz, and you also can use anybody's quiz. However, you can also limit who sees your quiz. You can have, you can go to your setting and have it. If you want it to be a private quiz, any quiz is set up. Okay, this is my account. Okay, so let's go back to my library. Okay, these ones are drafts. I've not published them. Nobody has played this, and so on. Okay, all right, so let's create a quiz. You can also create lessons. One thing about quizzes, they've also upgraded their own platform. You can also create lessons. In fact, it's been very amazing. And create lessons. See, entire lesson title. Let's say I want to talk about nouns. All right, you choose the subject that is relevant to that. That's English, and you click next. This is I'm digressing quickly into lesson creation with quizzes. Okay, you and one thing about this also, your work saves automatically. Next, okay, right. So look at this now. It's just like normal PowerPoint. Okay, you create. We'll talk about this is the message you want to type here. You make these changes here, as you can see now. It won't show here. You come here, and everything. This is my own definition. We can see, hear, feel, touch, or taste is a noun. Yes, this is my own definition of noun. Anything you can see, hear, feel, touch, or taste is a noun. All right, so this is just digression. You have to just explore this particular platform. But however, there's some things you can't do except you use the I have the paid version. You can explore the font size, the title, medium, and so on. That's by the way. Now let's go back to quizzes. You can see here also you can also add slides like your presentation. You really need to know how to use slides. If you don't know how to use PowerPoint, just let me know. You need to take the training. It's amazing. All right, so I want to create a quiz. I want to create a quiz. So the name of my quiz is, let's say, plants and animals. That is under science, and I click next. All right, so look at this. We want to teleport questions. Let me search for millions of questions. We want to search what other people have done before. So let's search. All right, so that means I don't have to even start typing questions. This is using ready-made questions. You just have to look at all the questions here and see which one would meet your need. Look at this. Animal and plant 10 questions. It's for kindergarten to 6th grade. That means it can be applicable to any of that age. Transportation in plants and animals. So let's look at this. All right, look at what we have here. We click on this. These are the questions here already. Examples of animals that live on the land are, in fact, just even upgraded this version. It wasn't here before. All right, so you can just teleport people's questions. So instead of me typing all over, you can just click on this. It goes to your question. Click on this. This was really amazing. You don't have to do a lot of stress anymore as an educator. Just see what other people have done as it relates to your content or your evaluation purpose, and you just pick. All right. So let's just pick that, and you can also pick other questions. All right. So let's go back to where we are here. Can you see here now that I took questions, I actually teleported questions from somebody else, from another teacher. Isn't that amazing? Now you want to learn, you want to add new questions, so you could add your own question. Now all these are ways to add questions. Multiple choice shows that, okay, you want to ask a question, you write your question here. What are plants? That's a question. You can use the italics here, just the way you use your normal computer. You want to underline, all these are available for you. You want to put a video, you want to add an image, okay, to your content. So you drag and drop or click the image. So let's check. Let me just pick, I like picking just from here. Okay, and my pictures. All right, so let me just pick any random picture, okay? Um, okay, let's take this. It doesn't have to apply, I'm just working with this to explain what we are doing. So when you click the picture, you click on done. The picture appears in your slide. What are plants? Now you can see these fields are empty, right? So you put in your option number 1. Plants are living things. You can see add picture if you want to add picture for each of the options. So that's up to you. Plants are non-living things. Then you go to option 3. Plants are animals. Option 4. Now it's up to you. If you don't want up to option 4, you can leave at option 3. Whatever you want. Plants are meat eaters. Alright, you're done with that. Then you save. Always save. And sometimes if you want to add a fun fact or explanation for the correct answer, you can do that. So we save. Correct option not selected. Oh, sorry. Oh, before you save, okay, what, so which of this is the answer? The answer is this. So you need to first choose the correct answer before you save, so that whenever the learners also, when they attempt the quiz, like this, all the answers are in green. When they attempt the quiz, they are able to, know if they are right or wrong immediately. I can see here all that is showing green shows that that's the right answer. Examples of animals that live on the land are goats, horses, tigers. So the child clicks. You can also add time to your work. I can edit the question if I want to edit the question. Okay, so it's really amazing that you can just get resources without you even disturbing your head. Okay, even if you want to type exam questions, you can also use the same thing for exam question. It's just like that. Okay, so bird and save. All right, so that's for using people's teleporting questions. So if you want to create your own question, it's the same thing. It's the same thing you do. Go back, and anything you do also here, you can always have access to your questions. Remember, this is 5 minutes ago, created by Untitled Chapter. All right, I can edit who have access to it. I can edit the content as well. So add quiz. All right, they really upgraded this. Seriously, things are really changing. Okay, so let me add just one more question, new question to explain this part here. I want to use fill in the blank, for example. So your question is here. Dash and dash are African countries. So we have our options here. If you like, you can put any image, or you want to put a video or audio. You want to talk, let's do that. Let's try the audio version. Okay, you have to upgrade to super to do that audio version, and I'm sure the same thing with the video, but the image is free. So let's enjoy the free version. So the answer, you see, Ghana. You have options, and the answer you're expecting may be Nigeria. This is exactly, you have Ghana. You can add other alternatives based on what you have taught the children, okay? So that Congo and the likes. Then when you're done, remember, what do? You save the work. Scroll down and you save. You can set the time where you expect the learners to attempt the quiz. 20 seconds. It depends on the age, and you save. All right, so all of these options here are used for your when you're setting your questions. Multiple choice, check box, fill in a blank, poll, open-ended, and add slides. So this is another tool you can use. And when you're done with assigning the quiz, you want to assign quiz to any of your learners, you go to your library. Okay, your library, you can also pick from any other person, like I said. For anything you want to learn, anything you want to do, just click on the video, on the quiz, and share. Okay, public link access is enabled. So I want to copy the link and add people. Copy link, add people via email where you can send it to. So I put my email. Okay, and so on. You can type as many people as possible, or you just copy the link directly and send to the email, and you click on that. So the recipient will receive, she can view and attempt the question. Can view, can edit, cannot remove, can only view and do what is needful. Okay, so that's how to share your quiz. You can edit, and it's amazing how you can just use this tool to improve your work. Okay, let's go on. Let me stop this section right now and start the other part. Just stay tuned.